Dear children, welcome to our next topic, nastic movements. Plants shows different types of movements. In our previous class, we have discussed about trophism. We have learned about different types of trophic movements showed by plants, such as phototrophism, geotrophism, hydrotrophism, thigmotrophism, and chemotrophism. Now, we are going to learn about nastic movements. Nastic movements are non-directional response of a plant or part of a plant to stimulus. Here, the plant responds to an external stimulus, but the response will not be directional. So this is the difference between trophism and nastic movement. Here, the plant responds to the stimulus, which is considered as an external factor, makes some inductions on the plant, hence the plant shows some movements immediately. So, based on the nature of stimuli, nastic movements are classified as follows: photonasty, thigmonasty, and thermonasty. Photo, we already know, light. Thigmo responds to touch, and thermo responds to temperature. Movement of a part of plant in response to light. This is called photonasty. This movement could be seen in the blossom process of flowers in most of the plants. Example, Taraxacum officinale blooms in morning and closes in the evening. Similarly, Ipomoea alba, that is called as moonflower, it opens in the night and closes during the day. In Taraxacum officinale and Ipomoea alba, both are involving in the flowering process, but the stimulus is different. Taraxacum officinale blooms in the presence of the sunlight, and Ipomoea alba blooms in the presence of moonlight or absence of sunlight. This is the picture of Taraxacum officinale. The flowers of this plant blossoms at daytime, as like most of the plants. Here, the stimulus is sunlight. This is the seed dispersal method of that plant. Then, Ipomoea alba, which is known as moonflower. The flowers of Ipomoea alba plants blossoms at night. Here, the stimulus is moonlight or the absence of sunlight. These are also some different colors in Ipomoea alba. Then, thigmonasty. Movement of a part of plant in response to touch. This is known as thigmonasty. Example, Mimosa pudica. It folds the leaves and droops when touched. Mimosa pudica is familiarly known as touch me not plant. When we touch the plant, the leaves will droop. Then after few minutes, the leaves become normal. This is due to the change in the turbidity of the plant by the movement of water molecule. It is also known as seismonasty. Look at this video. When we touch the leaves will fold. After some time, they become normal. Similarly, the Venus flytrap, Dionaea muscipula, presents a spectacular example of thigmonasty. It exhibits one of the fastest known nastic movement. So look at this video. The surface area of the trap consists of sensitive needle-like projections. When an organism touches these structures, the signal is transmitted very quickly and the trap closes and catches the living organism. Then it secretes the enzymes inside for the digestion of food, that is, the living organism by the plants. Then thermonasty. Movement of part of a plant is associated with change in temperature. This is known as thermonasty. Example for this process is tulip flowers. The tulip flowers blossom as the temperature increases. The tulip flowers finds the increase in temperature and they become blossom. Now we are going to discuss about the differences between trophic and nastic movement. Trophic movement, it is unidirectional response to the stimulus. Here, the plant responds to the stimulus in a particular direction. But in nastic movement, it is non-directional response to the stimulus. The stimulus will not depend any direction. Then, growth dependent movements. Trophic movement is growth dependent movement. The trophic movement is identified by the growth of the plant. But nastic movement is growth independent movement. Here the growth will not occur. Then more or less permanent and irreversible. Trophic movement is mostly permanent and irreversible, but nastic movements, they are temporary and after they can get its original state. Then trophic movements are found in all plants. Nastic movement found in a few specialized plants. Then trophic movement is slow action. Nastic movement is immediate action. Thank you.